Students, today we are going to see the third theory, that is the tunica corpus theory. Already we have seen apical cell theory and histogen theory. Apical cell theory was suggested by the Hofmeister and supported by means of the Nageli. Histogen theory was proposed by means of the Hanstein and supported by means of the Strasburger. The tunica corpus theory is suggested by means of the Smith. In 1924, and this theory is supported by means of the Foster in 1934 to 41. The apical cell theory and apical cell theory and histogen cell theory, which is observed in the shoot apex and root apex, the divisions are anticlinal only. Here, tunica corpus theory, the tunica layer anticlinal divisions are taken, but in corpus layers, the cells, they are not only anticlinal, the cell divisions takes place by means of the all directions of cell division takes place. All directions of cell division takes place, which shows the many layers interpretation of many layers in the structural development of the growth. Structural development of the growth or the meristematic tissue. This theory only observes in the shoot apex. This theory only occurs in the shoot apex. This Smith shows the structural development. The cells only not divide well into anticlinal, but the cells also shows the directions of the cell division in all directions, which shows the many layers interpretations in the structural development in the shoot apex. This work was supported by means of the Foster. Later on, Foster suggested the Smith, the interpretations which are given, the interpretations are the correct one. According to the tunica corpus theory, in the shoot apex, it shows the ellipse of the shoot apex, ellipse of the shoot apex. This is a basal region and this is a terminal region. In the terminal region consists the tunica, and these are the leaf primordium. Tunica means cover. Tunica means cover. And then just behind is a tunica corpus. Just behind the tunica, carpal cells are present, that is the carpal layers. This region I am going to expand. In this tunica layers, that is the cover layers, the anticlinal division takes place and the cells are smaller one. These cells 2 to 3 layers of the anticlinal division takes place. This is known as the tunica. The layers just beneath the tunica, initially there is a large primordial cells are present. And this meristematic tissue, it is divides in all directions. In all directions into the larger cells. Into the larger cells. And it produces the many layers. It produces the many layers and which covers the shoot. It covers the shoot. It shows the lip primordium. Again here cell division takes place. Here the difference between the tunica and the carpus. Tunica layers, they are the smaller cells, 2 to 3 layers, and divisions are takes place by means of the anticlinal divisions. Carpus cells, the cell division takes place in the all directions. Cell division takes place all directions. The cells are larger and a group of cells, that is a mass or patches of the cells takes place. Patches of the cell takes place, and due to this growth takes place, that is the internal structural development of the meristematic tissue takes place. Further, Guttenberg suggested these tunica layers, there are 2 layers of the tunica. One, that is a dermatogen, and the second layer, that is subdermatogen. According to Guttenberg, the tunica is not only shows the single layer, it shows the 2 main layers, that is the dermatogen and the subdermatogen. Here we have seen apical cell theory, histogen cell theory, and tunica corpus theory.